Hi, I'm Elisa Pompa from This Old House. On today's episode, I was going to say Kevin O'Connor, but I don't know if anyone get that joke. So today we took out the rest of the flooring in that room, and couple things we learned or found was the vent. Oh, there's a lot of wood on it. So we took out the vent. I don't know if you can put the flashlight on.
Yeah, I'll try. Oh, can't do it once it's running.
Okay. Well, we weren't sure how far down this would go. It actually goes down like more than 10 feet. So it's running into the basement, which is good.
Well, we knew that we thought that it was taking up like just the stud cavity because this is directly, like you can see, this is the plate of the wall below us, dividing two rooms. And we thought that this makeshift vent was just the space between the studs, but it turns out they actually put ductwork, this shoddy ductwork, all the way down the length of the wall. So it's better than nothing. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We had a thought that we could add another vent over here so that one vent can actually go to one room and one could go to the other, instead of right now where you could see this vent here is just running straight. This is a register that we've covered, but literally this is just going straight here. Mm-hmm. So that's why this room was getting such shitty airflow.
They were both getting shitty airflow.
True.
Like one very leaky terrible duct feeding two rooms. Because you can see also this. Oh, I should not stand on that. You can see that's the duct that was sitting on top of this here, and it was like it wasn't sealed properly. Mm-hmm.
Spray foam here.
Yeah, so it was like leaking all into this joist cavity, and as we were like ripping it up, we could actually feel the warm air coming out of the duct.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I was gonna now take the camera. Oh. Put it on the cameraman.
Okay.
Oh, you want to show the chalk line?
Oh yeah, this was kind of cool. So we removed one of these studs so we could get large material through the rooms, and we discovered that I'm not going to touch it because there's tons of mouse pee and shit, but there's this red chalk line going all the way along. You can see it like it meets up where the studs are on both sides, and so we were wondering aloud, like, how old do we think that chalk line is? Like, how old is this wall? Because the wall was plaster and lath. Basically, all of the walls were plaster and lath. And these studs are like true 2x4. I measured this one earlier. It's actually 2 2.125. So you can see like the difference between a modern 2x4 and an old 2x4. It's like, so there's a good 5/8 difference there, and then like holding up the other edge. This way it measured about 4 inches. Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's nuts. Yeah, lots of good things to come.
And then what's next? We're gonna take out some flooring in here.
Next is we're gonna start removing the floor in this room, in the master, and the problem, we'll have to deal with the same thing I dealt with when we started in that room, which is because all the tongues point this way in the tongue and groove floorboards. So the best way to rip them up is to start at this side and work our way over. But this board...
You just touched it.
No, that's the...
Oh, that's the P area? Okay.
Floor.
Okay.
Whatever, I'm going to wash my hands anyway.
No, he's not.
Obviously, look at my hands. So yeah, this board is partially embedded underneath the studs. So what we're gonna do is we've left this board because most of it is just directly under there. But eventually we'll cut off. Basically, we'll follow this nice chalk line that the original carpenters left us, and then on this side we can follow this chalk line and cut this piece. and then our new floor will come up right against this wall. And so what's left of these floorboards will become part of that wall. But yeah, so for now we'll just like cut this down the middle probably because that's quicker, and then we'll be able to start pulling up boards moving in this direction. And yeah, and then once that floor is up, we'll clean out all these cavities and get all these joists prepped to receive sister joists, and then that's when the real fun starts. We start actually leveling the floor.
And we'll explain what sister joists means when we're there.
Yes.
It's not a family thing.
No, it's not a family thing. I mean, they will be very close. And they'll get to know each other really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye.
I'm Elisa Pampa.
And I'm Nathan Bud.
Oh shit! What's their sign off when they just say their names and they're like, yeah. Thanks.
See you next time on
See
this
you
old house.
Yeah, that's it. I think it's it. See you next time on this old house.